Where are you gonna find this for $11 and some change? And it's original and it looks original, then I guess it's original. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if it's your first time here. I am Tamika. I do lifestyle videos, home decor, thrifting, and DIYs. So those are the stuff that you love to watch. I'd really appreciate if you press that subscribe button down below to be a part of this beautiful family, and also press that notification bell so whenever time I upload, you'll be notified as well. So guys, I know I have not shown you a thrift store haul for the longest while, but guess what? Today is the day. I'm showing you some beautiful pieces that I recently picked up from my two favorite thrift store, which is the Thrift's Thrift Store of Virginia and the 2nd Avenue Thrift Store. I love those thrift stores. Someone recently asked me if I thrift at the Goodwill. Yes, I do thrift at the Goodwill, but not all the time because their prices sometimes don't go well with my budget. Their pricing is very a little higher than the norm, so I stick to these stores that I know I'm always getting discount, and if there are items that are not discounted, I can use my military discount, which is 25% off. So I'm always winning at these two favorite stores of mine. So that's it. I do go to Goodwill, but not all the time. So my last couple of visits to the thrift store, I'm picking up specific items. I want items that were of like that looks like mid-century, that look vintage. I'm trying to change out my my home decor to more of a mid-century modern. So anything that looks mid-century or vintage, I kind of target those items. So the two first items that I want to share with you guys is these jewelry boxes, and this one is a glass. I'm not sure if this is vintage or not, but I love the style of it. It's just a glass jewelry box, and it opens right here. I'm definitely gonna put this on my bedside table in my master bedroom. Like at night I could put my earrings or my rings or my jewelry on there, and I really love this. It's small, and that's how I like it, small and cute, and I love the style of it. I love this. So I got this, and this was $3.99. So the prices for all the items that I'll be sharing with you is the original price, but I did get all these items for 50% off because I purchased them when both stores were having 50% off store-wide. So I got these for 50% off, and I'm loving this. So this was priced at $3.99, and the other jewelry box that I picked up is this. This is a vintage jewelry box. It is from the brand Goldinger. I think that's how it's pronounced. Maybe I'm pronouncing it wrong, but I Google this, I search it up, and I've seen people selling this for up to like $170. This jewelry box right here, I've seen people sell it as low as $30 as well. So depending on the shape or the condition of it, and I love this. Is a great condition for me, and I've not cleaned it yet, but it's like a silver plated jewelry box. I love this. I can't wait to style this. I don't know where I'm going to put it yet, but I definitely love this. I might just put it in my bedroom, even though I have another jewelry box in there, but that's fine. And I got this for $3.99 as well. So I'm loving this. I saw the same brand at Wayfair, and it was $153. So, but this is more of the vintage type. So I love these two pieces. Now I also picked up these candle holders. I'm obsessing with candle holders right now because they give me a mid-century look. And I got these two brass one. I know these are solid brass because it said at the bottom that they are solid brass and they were handmade. I love these, and the pair was $5.99 for them because they were $5.99 each, but I got them at the discounted price. So I love these. These are so beautiful. Look at the detail of these. Beautiful. And this one as well. It is so beautiful. I love these. I don't know where I'm gonna put these in. I have an idea, but I'm not sure I'm gonna style them. So I love these. And these as well is $5.99 for the pair, but I don't know if these are brass. I really don't think so because they're heavy. It might be, I'm not sure. Are they brass plated? I don't know, but I really like this. I just want to clean them up, and these are going on my console table, my TV console. I love these. I really love these. So I got those. I found these two small trays. One is wooden, one is a wooden tray, and one is, oh, this is heavy, and one is the ceramic. I don't know if this is a marble or granite, but is this a round marble tray? I'm gonna say it's marble because it's heavy. Oh my god. So yes, and this was $4.99. I could definitely put this in my kitchen, put a candle on there with a diffuser. I don't know, but I think this would be good, perfect in my kitchen. We are currently doing over our kitchen as well, so whenever time I start decorating, you'll definitely see this in there because I love it. And this was $4.99. This small one right here is just a small wooden tray. I don't know if we'll call it a tray, but it's just this wooden piece right here. And I think I'm going to put this in my bathroom where I'm going to put my serums, my face oils, or anything like that on top on my vanity. And I think I like this. It's $1.99 for this, but I'm definitely going to resand this down and put a different stain on it because I don't like this red color. But for $1.99, I don't think we could go wrong with that. The next item I want to share with you is one of my favorite. I literally buy this item twice. So it is this beautiful jar right here. I know it is like a picture as well. I know it is a jar, a jug, but I love it, and I'm going to use it as a vase. I'm going to see if I'm able to show you detail of it. Look in the middle where it has the board, and it also has a towel with the ball in it. I love this. This look like a mid-century style vibes to me, and I love this. So fun fact about this jar, I had one identical to this a month ago. Went into 2nd Avenue, saw it, purchased it. As soon as I went to go in my car to put this stuff in the trunk, the bag fell out of my hand and the jar broke. So I was so mad. I was like, Lord, am I going to find another one? And like last week, I went into the store, I was browsing around, and I saw this one. It was not on the jar aisle, it was on a different aisle, but I saw the wooden thing. I was like, it's not the same jar. So I snatched this up so fast. Look how beautiful, look how beautiful this style is. Oh my god, it is so beautiful. And it was only $2.99. This looks so much like a mid-century style. I'm definitely going to put some flowers in here, or I don't know what I'm gonna put, but this is so gorgeous, guys. It is so beautiful. Love it. All right, so moving along, I have some few more items to share with you guys. I have this I found this pair of bookends. It's the onyx, 100% onyx bookends. I love this. I'm gonna dim the light down so you're able to see the detail of it. I'm gonna dim it. Look at this. Look how beautiful this is. You guys can see, right? Beautiful. I love the detail of this. And again, the pair was $3.99 for it, and I love them. So I got these beautiful bookends as well, and this look like a mid-century type look to it, right? I hope so. I really like it, and I love the touch of brown with the cream color with it. Oh, beautiful. It is so detailed. Love this. So I also found this piece. I don't know, I think this is an onyx as well. Guys, comment below and tell me what this is made of, because I'm not sure. I have another piece similar to this or something the same making, and I spray painted it black. It's on my living room console table. I showed in my living room transformation. It's there, but I got it the same color, but I painted it matte black. So it may have been, I don't know what's the family of. I don't know what it's come from. I think it's an onyx though. I really think so. Guys, comment down below and tell me if you're able to see the actual material that makes it up. I also picked up this piece as well. This more look like a restoration order type of vibes, I'm assuming. I could definitely put this on the top of a bookshelf, or you know, on a shelf, anywhere you want to place this. But it has this marble detail on it, if you're able to see. Beautiful. I love this. And this was $3.99 as well. I love this. I'm definitely gonna find somewhere to put this on. I think I'm gonna put it on my bookshelf. I love this. You know what, I also found this beautiful vintage gold shelf, but I didn't show it in this video. I'm so happy I found it, and it was only $9. I don't think they know what it was. It was this beautiful gold shelf. I might show it in my next video when I do my makeover for my dining room. I might put it in there, so I'll show you guys. But I was so happy. It's a gold piece. It's too big for me to show you guys, but I just remember it, so I was just telling you guys about it. But the other things that I want to share with you is this vase. I love this vase. I think it's original because the blue is engraved inside of the vase. I don't know if you're able to see. It's engraved inside, and I love the style and I love the size. Oh, I think this is a mid-century style, right guys? Am I getting it right? But I love it. It smells like a chinaware. I love it, and it has a little weight to it as well. And what I love about it is the opening is not as wide. Most of my vases, they have wide openings, so whenever I put like whenever I put stems or anything, it spreads out. With this, it will go perfect. It will just hold them together. So that's why I love the opening on this one. But I love the shape of it as well. I love this style. I really love this. And this was only $4.99, guys. I've not seen anything engraved in the bottom to say it's original, but it feels original and it looks original, then I guess it's original. But I love this, guys. I also picked up another it's a jar or jug or jar or a pitcher, you guys call it. And it's this beautiful piece right here. Now I'm planning to put this on my island with some nice tall floral arrangement. I love this style. Look at the angle. I love this, and this was only $5.99, guys. But again, 50% off on all these items. I could not go wrong. So moving on to my last three favorite pieces. I love everything that I picked up, but these three pieces I'm obsessed with. So the first piece I want to share with you is this wicker basket right here. I think that's what it's called. Look how beautiful this is. This reminds me of the restoration hardware basket that they have, but they have it in white. So I'm definitely gonna spray paint this white. I love this. This is so beautiful, guys. I'm so happy when I saw it. I'm like, yes, I have to get this. And this was only $4.94. I'm telling you, the people at the thrift store, they don't know pricing, which is okay with me. But I love this. I love this. Even if, I think I got this for 50% off, but even if I didn't, I don't mind paying $4.94 for this. Look how beautiful this is, and look how big it is. Oh my God, $4.94. I'm telling you guys, don't sleep on your thrift stores. I love it. It's beautiful. And my two last pieces are two busts that I picked up. One is a mini one, which is this one. Look how small she is, but she's okay. I like her. She is so beautiful. And it was $2.99, and this was half price, so I got it for like $1.50 for this bust right here. I know Amazon have these for about $30, $20, I don't know, but I know they're not there for $2.99 though. So I'm loving this. When I saw it, they had a male figure one as well, but for some reason I just picked up this one. I just like the female version. Now I'm mad because I could have picked up the male one that would go on my hubby side of the bedside table. So I have a female represent a female and one represent a male. But oh well, I hope I'll see another one next time. But I'm definitely happy that I picked this one up. She is so beautiful. Look at her. Gorgeousness. Love it. for $2.99. Love that. Now the last item I want to share with you is something similar but in a larger style. Beautiful. Look at this. Look at her. Look at her. Oh my god. I found this bus like 2 days ago at my thrift store. When I saw it, I could not believe. I saw the back first, like this. I was like, what the hell is that? But then I went through the side. I said, this looks like a bus from the back. So I went on the other side of the aisle and I saw it. I was like, it's a bus. Oh my god, it's a female one. I love this. And you don't want to know how much I paid for this. I paid $14.14 for this bus right here. And guess what? I applied my military discount, which is 25% off. So I got it for $11 and some change. Now, here for this nice size bus right here. Look how big this is. This beauty right here. Well, this is one of my best finds throughout my thrifting days. I cannot believe I found this at my thrift store and I'm so happy. I'm so happy, guys. So guys, do not sleep on your thrift store. I really love the items that I show you guys, and as time goes on you will definitely see how I style these in my living room, in my home. So okay guys, so those are all the items that I want to share with you today. I really love all the pieces that I picked up, especially that bus. I'm so in love with that piece. And again, I'm trying to change over my home decor into like a mid-century modern look, and I think these will actually start me off. I really do, especially the candle holders, the bus, I think, and the basket. I really think that this will help me to change my style into more of a mid-century modern look. I'm so in love with all the pieces that I picked up. Now, as I told you before, don't be scared of the thrift store. The thrift store is your friend. You just have to go in and search for items. If you go one day you don't find anything, go the next day. That's how it is, because you just never know what you will find there. So guys, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you all for watching. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye.